Confit of duck with a chanterelle mushroom stew. Garlic, leeks, chanterelle mushrooms, roast potatoes, and confit. We start by scraping some of the fat off of the duck into a pan. Rough chop our garlic and our leeks. In the hot pan they go. Back to slice up our mushrooms and roast potatoes. Potatoes first. Then we're going to add some of Rick's chef salt, some parsley flakes, and some whole thyme. I know the container says ground, but it's not. It's whole thyme. A little bit of rosemary. Mix that all up, and then let's put our mushrooms on top. Now we add our confit legs, and then drizzle a little bit of that lovely duck fat in. Add some water, lid it, and we'll let it steam for a while. Meanwhile, we'll get another surface ready for our confit legs. When we take them out of the pan, we want to crisp them on another surface. In this case, cast iron with a little touch of oil. When you notice your pan is coming to a nice boil, turn it down to a simmer. And you want to simmer them until the legs are nice and soft. You can see how that is just ready to fall off the bone there. Usually about 10 to 12 minutes. Then we're going to carefully remove our confit to our hot surface and start crisping up the legs. While the legs are crisping, we're going to taste our broth and season it accordingly. Here I felt it needed a little more of Rick's chef salt, and I'm going to add some fresh ground pepper. Now, I really wish you could smell it at this point because it is just, well, there's nothing else like it. Here I'm going to check the legs carefully, and I want it just a little more done than that, so I'm going to flip it back over. Ah, there we go. Nice and crispy brown. Okay, back to our stew. We check our potatoes and make sure that they're finished. Final seasoning if it needs it, and we're ready. Let's plate it. And voila, confit with chanterelle mushroom stew.